To build a Python API, you can use frameworks like Flask or Django, which simplify the process. Here's a basic guide to building a RESTful API using Flask. Install Flask. If you haven't already, install Flask using pip install Flask. Create a Flask app. Create a new Python file for your Flask application. Example, app.py. Import Flask and create an instance of the Flask class. Define endpoints. Define routes for your API by decorating Python functions with app.route. Run the app. Add the following code at the end of your app.py file to run the Flask application. Test the API. Run your Flask application by executing python app.py in your terminal. Visit the following link in your web browser to see your API's response. Extend functionality. Expand your API by adding more routes and integrating with databases, external APIs, or authentication systems as needed.